Alright guys, here we're at the church right now. And we got some vintage air conditioner, got central air conditioner. Up here, here we have a Goodman unit. And right here we have Amana, which has not been running. It's got a cocoa scroll. Sound blanket. I think it's a heat pump. So yeah, this is Amana. Heating air conditioning. Over here, it is a heat pump or something. And it's I don't know what the manufacturer is. I think it's 2017 3-ton, I think. Actually, it is a 4-ton. And over here, shut up. Now, we got more air conditioning back here that we can look at. We actually got this one. I don't know what kind of it is. Some kind of compressor. Stone needs to shut it, man. Cause I don't know. Some kind of air conditioner. It might be a heat pump. It's not been running. I think it got a Bristol. I can't tell what that is. I see the compressor there. Sweat blades. I'm not gonna get that data on there. Yeah, some of these are Bristols or Kirkland. I think it's got motors on it. Yeah, it's been running. Yeah, and over there, we got blue cheaters.